Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Oakley model OX5038 in color code 22-198. It's a matte black color frame. On the temples here we have the Oakley emblem in black. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Oakley logo in black on the left lens. The styled frame is full rim rectangular, and this frame is RXable. Up here we have an Oakley gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a dust bag, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.